In the summer of 1968, when I was 13 years old, I moved to the big city of Montreal to join two older sisters to work as housekeepers and mother's helpers. So it was a live-in position, and the family I met was Dutch. And one day we filled a boat. I was to accompany them on vacation to Cape Cod, and I had my first experience of getting up on water skis. Unfortunately, after a year and 9 days, they happened to lose their business, and I had to move on to a new family. During my high school years, one winter day, I came home later than usual. The mother of the household asked me, "Why are you late?" I told her I had joined the high school band. I had a borrowed flute, and music had always been important to me, as my parents met while my father was playing violin at a post-war dance. The lady said to me, "That's just a waste of taxpayers' money. You're not allowed to play that in this house." I walked by her, stepped out the side door of the house, and I played my flute till my fingers were nearly frozen to the metal. I continued to play in the high school band, I played in the college band, and I played in the community band. I still play at weddings and special occasions, and sometimes I just throw open the back door and step out into the backyard to play in nature, as I still enjoy this method of expressing myself.